Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the third problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 315. It's a medium level problem, however relatively much easier third problem as compared to the other third problems that you get into the contest, right? The problem name is sum of number and its reverse. So given a non-negative integer num, return true if num can be represented as the sum of any non-negative integers and its reverse, or false otherwise, right? So seems like this contest is all about set and reversing numbers and all. So the previous problem also we got was to reverse a number and check some validity and all, right? So this problem says that you are given a number, like for example if I take the first case, that is 443. So we need to tell, can this number be represented in a format where it where if a number x is there, and if I get reverse of x, then these two add up to give me the given number. Like for 443 I get 172 plus 271. If you add it, you get 344. Yeah, you get 443. So this is what you need to return true if that is possible. If I take the second example 63, so actually this cannot be represented in this format, a sum of one number and its reverse. So you return false in this case, you return true in this case. If I take one more example given, so that is 181. So this can be represented as 140 plus 041, right? So that is 181. So in this case also you return true. So I would say, and also the number, the length, the number basically lies between 0 to 10 raised to power 5. If the limit would have been greater, probably we would have to change our algorithm. But the most simple thing that I did was, what we can do is basically traverse the array from, start from 0, right? Start from 0 and go up to num. You can go to num by 2 as well, but again it was contest, I was coding fast, so I thought it won't make any difference on the time constraint, right? So that's why you start with 0, you go to num by 2 or num. What I have done in the code, I'll tell that to num and I plus plus, and for every I you check that if I plus reverse of I equals the given number, then you just return true. If this loop is over and still your function is not returned, that means you are not able to satisfy this condition, so at last you return false, right? So if I show you the code, so this is my code, just a second. Yeah, so on line number 12 my function starts. What I have done, I've started from 0, I go to num, right? Again, to tackle the edge cases, because if your number is 0 and you do I less than num, so your condition will fail, right? So that's the reason. I check I plus get reverse of I equals num, return true, else return false. Now again go to the function on line number 2, get reverse. So this is the same function that I've used in the previous code. That means the second problem of the very same contest. In that also we needed to reverse a number. So reversing a number is pretty simple. You just start with a variable and you traverse till that number is greater than 0. You pick up the last digit, append it into the new temp variable, and then divide the current number by 10. And you do keep on doing this until and unless your number becomes 0. And finally you return R from line number 8. So yeah, that's what I did. I hope the solution was clear. Also, in case you have any queries, do mention that into the comments. If you find this channel useful, do support it by giving up a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to the channel. Yeah, take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.